How to write 875 thousands in standard form. Look, a number can have fractional part and whole number part. That is, in a decimal number, you can have whole number part with fractional part. For fractional part, we have the first column is called tenth column, then hundredths column, then thousands column. Look, in the spelling, we are getting THS. But before decimal, we have ones column, tens column, hundreds column. Okay. So how to write 875 thousands in standard form? Standard form means we have to use digit like 0, 1, 2, 3. So first, look, thousands means 1 over 1000. Okay, thousands means 1 over 1000. And before 1000, we have this portion 825. Consider this as a whole number and write here 875. This is 875, and for thousands we have to write 1 over 1000. THS, 1000. From 1000 we are getting thousands. Now multiply. So this, now look, 1000 is a power of 10. So just count the number of 0 and move the decimal from right to left equal to that number of zeros. 30, 1, 2, 3. You have to place decimal point here. 875. This is the standard form of notation for 875 thousands. In informal way, we say it 0.875 instead. Okay, so 0.875 means we are considering 875 portion out of 1000. That is, if you cut a apple 1000 equal parts and we are taking 875 equal parts. So this is the standard form.